Hi everyone, I'm Brad Feldhouse with the Ram Real Estate Group here at Coldwell Banker. And today we are at 6040 Countrymeadow Lane. This is an amazing 4-bedroom, 3 full bath and 1 half bath that's been updated. We're in the heart of Oak Hill Schools. This has a beautiful kitchen, painted cabinets, quartz countertops, all new stainless steel appliances that opens up to the living room. Let's go in and check it out. Thanks for coming out and viewing this amazing home with us today, guys. As I mentioned before, check out this amazing kitchen, gas cooktop. If you guys want information regarding this home or want a private showing, please feel free to reach out to me, 513-828-9880. Have a great day.